Hi, I'm Chuck Ewing. I'm the owner and president of the Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom. I'm going to explain to you why and how we get uncrated merchandise. Whenever the manufacturer has a box that's damaged, such as this right here, the manufacturer won't ship the product. Why is that? Well, none of the retailers and their customers will accept the product because the question is, what kind of shape is that product in? That product is all shipped back to the manufacturer and they have to figure out what to do with it. We buy that product at a big discount. It's brought to us. We have to determine what kind of shape it's in. So we're in the warehouse, and this is a product that's been unboxed. As you can see, it's new. All the packing is still on it. It's never been used. It's been unboxed. And as you look at the product, it's in brand new condition. The only difference is it doesn't have the cardboard around it. This is how we're able to save you significant money. You get a new product, it's just out of the box, it's got full warranty, and as you can see, it's never been used. It just had the cardboard box damaged on it. So this is where the product is processed. Back here, they go through the product, verify the condition, verify that it's in new condition, and get it ready for the customer to purchase. It's guaranteed, and these people are professionals and have been trained and make sure the product is in the shape that's going to be satisfactory for the customer. So the product is brought over here, it's put up in the racks, it's held there for the salesperson to sell to you at any one of our 25 stores. You can get a great buy. We have thousands of appliances to choose from, and you can truly save money. Buy with confidence. These are great buys, and you can truly save money.